Alright, so we're having a neckline here and we're bouncing right over that neckline. And on that 15-minute shot, let's put on the pivot levels. Maybe we've already this neckline is making life very... Alright, so we did of course 1, 2, there's the 3, 4A, 4B, 4C. Get into these levels. We're going to all three at least. For this is 163.5, 163.65. This is 164.4, which is about 90 points or 100 points. This is for short-term traders. This takes us back to that question around United States dollar against the Canadian. Low volatility, and this is now we were looking at high volatility. You can see we have dotted red arrows. This is doing an A and a B and a C all the time into tomorrow. It's going to take a 24-hour period to a 36-hour period. 36-hour period, this is a trending issue. You should be making 100 points, $100. If it's just 1 mini, $300 if it's just 3 minutes. We don't chase markets. It's going up, no problem. It will come down like this red arrow shows. We just wait for it there. Now we're looking at the time aspect, at the time prospect. In 36 hours, you're doing $100 per mini. Alright, if we had placed the same mini in United States dollar against the CAD, the Canadian. If we have placed the same 1 mini in United States dollar against the Canadian for 36 hours, try to do it on a demo account. Really try to do it on a demo account. At the end of the day, this just really tells you, on the end of the 36 hours, really tells you whether this issue is trending or not. You'll find that it is either negative or just has made maybe $20 at the most. It is still consolidating, so you don't want to tie yourself into it until it is a cycle 3. It is just that simple. Or it is really reversing and you really have good reversal confirmation, or are going to wait for a very long time. Have this in your own projections. Okay, so again, it's very important to select only trending issues. Just measure it this way. Just make an entry. Even now, just have a limit entry at 163 on a demo account, 163.55 here. Have a limit entry just for 10 minutes, or 1 minute, sorry, and try and get. You will not even be able to get an entry in a relevant support in the United States dollar against the Canadian. Suppose we just buy market United States dollar against the Canadian for the next 36 hours. Look at the results. Right, so it gives us focus that we must not be prejudiced to trade very specific issues by name. It is really important to select the trending cycles or the trending issues that we should be trading.